Hi Aquarius, this is Wishes of a Wanderer Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs for the month of April 2021. Let's see what are the messages that await you for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Hmm. Okay. You have the Ten of Wands, Aquarius. You might be feeling a little burdened with some kind of energies. Are you feeling as if you need to take responsibility for everything that people do, everything that's happening in your life? Well, that approach is not going to take you very far because it's going to affect your health. You have the Knight of Swords. Aquarius, somebody wants to communicate with you, and this communication will be very cut and dry. If you have a person in mind, they could be an air sign person, Gemini, Aquarius, or Libra. These could be your energies as well, Aquarius. But what I'm getting here is this is somebody else who is looking to communicate with you, but they don't know how and when they can do so. If you are awaiting communication from this person, don't be surprised if they are just very cut and dry. You have the Strength card. You could be dealing with a Leo person. A Leo person could be important to you at this time. But I feel as a sign, you will be really strong when it comes to handling situations in life. Okay, wow. You've got the Death card and the Queen of Cups. For something to begin, something needs to end. And you need to shed your skin in order to adorn a new one, because being constantly evolving is the very nature of humans. So you need to just embrace change in your life. A new beginning in love is coming for some of you. Someone who, I feel this person who is trying to communicate with you, they could just be very to the point. They might just come and say, "Hey Aquarius, I like you. Do you want to give this a chance?" Okay, no. Okay, yes. All right. And then whatever happens next, it's all up to you. It's all up to them. You've got the Seven of Cups, Aquarius. I also feel that you are right now too caught up in a lot of areas of your life. You're trying to strike a balance between things and aspects of your life, people, job, family, relationships. Um, if you're married, then that as well. You have the Queen of Swords at the bottom of the deck, and you have the Knight of Swords as well. This could be a soulmate kind of tie that you are attracting, which is, of course, your energy as well, Aquarius, because you are an ambitious sign. You know, I'm not saying you keep ambitions over people, I'm saying you just know how to strike a healthy balance between the two, and you will be successful in doing so. Messages for my Aquarius friends. Messages for my Aquarius friends. A new beginning when it comes to money, job. Yeah, somebody really does want to communicate with you. They want to offer you a whole new world. You know, something out of Aladdin. And they're just waiting They're just waiting for the right moment to talk to you. Yep, someone comes bearing good news, and it's going to be amazing. It'll give you strength, it'll make you feel empowered. Wow, it could be a Libra person that you're dealing with, or an Earth sign individual, Virgo, Taurus, or Capricorn. If you're going through some legal battles, rest assured, Aquarius, the verdict is going to be in your favor. It'll empower you. If you've been waiting for a communication regarding a case, a legal case, then it's going to be a good news for you. You could be dealing with a Cancer person, or some of you could be relocating to new places, or just traveling, or mentally moving on from things that don't serve you anymore. Messages for my Aquarius friends. Messages for my Aquarius friends. King of Fire. The Ace of Water and Four of Air. Right now, Aquarius, even though you want a relationship with somebody, a fulfilling relationship, and you are attracting one, you need to also focus on your ambitions. You need to focus on rejuvenating yourself and taking care of your health. No matter how old you are or how young you are, I need you to take care of your health first. Let's see some extra messages for Aquarius. Surrender to the divine. Bring love into the situation. Wow, you've got the Aquarius card. Hold your vision. A new romantic cycle begins. What do you need to release? It's time to take action. And your dreams need a practical plan. Okay. Signs present over here are Aquarius, Libra, Taurus, Aries, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. As I mentioned about rejuvenating yourself and trying to see what triggers you and what you need to heal before you get into a new relationship, this card that says what do you need to release is connected to that. So pay attention to what is bogging you down, Aquarius. I'd like to dedicate this beautiful jade crystal to you so that you get the peace and harmony that you truly deserve, Aquarius. And I hope and pray that the remaining months of 2021 treat you with utmost love, kindness, and respect, and give you a million reasons to smile. I hope you enjoyed this reading, Aquarius. Thank you for watching. Bye.